अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 35. Find all possible values for which the distance between the points A and B is 10 units. So here we have 2 points A and B. A coordinates are 2 and -3. B coordinates are 10 and Y. Now here the distance is already given, which is 10 units. So again we will use the distance formula. AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Distance is already given, that is 10. So AB is 10, x2 is 10, x1 is 2, y2 we don't know, so y2 is y, and y1 is -3. So 10 minus 2, 8 square, and minus will become plus. So y plus 3 bracket square. Now if you square on both the sides, look at the left hand side, 10 square will be 100. On right hand side the square and square root will get cancelled. So you'll get 8 square plus y plus 3 bracket square. So 8 square will be 64, 64 will go on the left hand side, 100 minus 64 will give you 36. And then again you can take square root on both the sides. So on left hand side we have square, y plus 3 bracket square. If you take square root, you will get y plus 3. On right hand side you have 36. So if you take 36 square root, it will be plus and minus 6. Okay, don't forget to take both the signs. Then you have to take one sign at a time. So y plus 3 equal to plus 6, that will give you y equal to 3. And y plus 3 equal to minus 6, that will give you y equal to minus 9. So these can be the two possible coordinates, y coordinates of the point B. That's it.